Hi everyone! We're here in Fira, the enchanting capital of Santorini. Gliding over the Orthodox Metropolitan Cathedral, we are greeted by the magnificent Caldera Sea. This vast volcanic crater, filled with the deep blue waters of the Aegean, is a sight to behold. The iconic stairs feature over 600 steps, winding from the bustling town of Thira down to the old port below. As you descend, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the azure Aegean Sea and the stunning cliffs. You can choose to walk, ride a donkey, or take the cable car. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.